Alright guys, it's the very next day. As you seen in that little old clip right there, we got the right fender bolted up there, not finalized yet, and I've been just test fitting the front end. I didn't film any of the material that I've took off of the front end. The reason why is because everybody's application is going to be a little bit different than mine, I'm assuming, because I'm still running AC and all that, and mine sits kind of out this way a little bit from the condenser. So yeah, I had to do some trimming on it. Wasn't that bad really. I didn't even use a body saw. I used a Sawzall and cut-off wheel on the angle grinder, and come back behind everything with a little air disc, cleaned everything up. But turned out real good. Like I said, I would have filmed it, guys, but man, it had been super long because I did a lot. I just stuck it up there and test fit it and seen where places were hitting, and that's where I removed the material. But we'll set it up here on the chair and I'll let you take a look at what I've done removed so far. Alright guys, so far the material that I removed is a little section right here underneath the header right here. Removed that just because of the bolts clearance and the little piece of angle iron that I got. They were already broke, so they come right off. But yeah, I just took a Sawzall and just cut right down through there. Turned out real good. It works, it clears, nobody ever see it. Down here I had to remove quite a bit of this lip right here in order for it to clear, especially on the driver's side, the intercooler. But I just took, like I said, a little air disc to come back and just cleaned everything up with it. Everything looks good. I got nice straight lines, and I did cut this with just a regular cut-off wheel on an angle grinder. So you can do it with you can do it with whatever tools you got laying around the shop. You ain't necessarily got to have a body saw or anything like that. Just take your time. Like I said, it turned out real good. Got a nice good cut on it, nice and straight, and that turned out real good. And I just test fitted it again, and it actually clears everything just perfect, man. So I got plenty of room. Excuse the noise, guys, it's a little warm here, so I got the fan going. But I got enough room in front of it now, maybe about, probably not even a ½ inch, maybe about a ½ inch gap all the way down across it. So, and everything's gonna fit up nice and tight against the fenders, all up in here. And I got one of my brackets made. The other one, when I was bending this bend here, it broke. So I might have to go get another piece of 1-inch aluminum and try to mimic this bend right here. I know I can do it, but that piece just broke. I moved it too much. Got too much heat in it and it just broke. So I might have to go get another one of them at Home Depot or Lowe's, wherever I go. But right now, what I want to do, since I got the front end fitted, like I said, guys, just stick it up there. If you're doing this, stick it up there, look where it's hitting, and just remove that material. Just take your time. I just use tape everywhere I cut. That way it wouldn't damage the paint, which I just had that front bumper cover repainted, but I've already done chipped it. So the car will probably be repainted sometime down the road soon. But yeah, got it test fitted. Everything fits nice and tight. Looks good. Got plenty of clearance. Like I said, I need to get some more material so I can remake this bracket right here. But yeah, man, we're ready to bolt the front end on. But I would really like to have another piece of that material. I ain't got none on me right now, so I might have to make a trip to town, probably maybe this afternoon. So hopefully I get one today. If not, it ain't no big deal. I still need to do some more button up on the wire tuck for the headlights. So I just wanted to get all this test fitted with the intercooler. Now, since I know all this works good on the front end, I can focus on how I'm gonna do my wiring harness. Try to hide as much of it as possible. So still got that left to do, but right now, guys, what I want to do is take these headlights out. I actually have some new rubber pieces to go on there, and I've had them for quite some time now. So that's what I want to do next, guys. So let's get going on that. I think that's them right there. we'll see. I believe that's what these are, guys. I didn't give that much for them either. They were really cheap. So I'm going to go ahead and change them out. I'm probably going to change out the headlights later on down the road. Right now I ain't really worried about it too much. I've had these for a couple of years. They're not really that old. They sure enough haven't been out in the weather in 3 years, so we're not worried about that. We just want to get a new piece of, I guess I don't know, a seal. I don't know what you want to call that thing, man. Can't remember. Alright guys, that easy to do, man. So we got them in there. Now we can stick the front end back on the car. Not for the final time. I still got to get another bracket, of course, but we go ahead and just stick it up there and put a couple bolts in it, hold up in place, just to get it up out of the way. So let's do that real quick, and we'll wrap this video up for today, man. Alright guys, got the front end stuck on the car, got the fender just all kind of sitting up in place, nothing cinched down real tight right yet. The gap looks good on the door. That one over there I got to tweak a little bit, I believe, but this fender right here actually looks really good where it's at. I might end up just kind of lining the front end, the corner of the fender, all that up right here, and then get it cinched down. But the front end, of course, I'm going to have to pull it back off, because I still got to make that bracket that I broke, and I believe I'm gonna have to trim this right there just a little bit because it's hitting this bracket, and I think that's what's causing this, just this little bit right here not to go. So I believe I might do that real quick, get that right there trimmed off, and that's pretty much gonna be it for today, guys. Like I said, guys, if you're doing this at home, just stick your front end up there, man. That's the best advice I can give you. I mean, you can sit here and watch me cut on mine all day long, but mine's probably going to be different from your build or whatever, you know. So just put it up there, make some cuts, just keep test fitting. So that's what I did, guys, and I probably ended up taking maybe about, overall, probably about an inch, maybe 1.25 inches off of that lip so it wouldn't hit the intercooler, and took about an inch off of that header. So super easy to do, man, if you're doing it yourself. Oh yeah, by the way, we got a package. Look here, I'm ready to wrap up the video, man, and we have a package right here. Like I said, this should be the AC stuff that I ordered. Good old Rock Auto, man. Now that's what you call some packing right there, guys. Oh my God, man. invoice, of course, from Rock Autos. And this should be our pressure line that we need right here. Got a new one. I think it was like 13 bucks is all that was. And got ourselves a new dryer, man. So AC components, got them for the win. We'll get them right there stuck on the car. But I'm gonna have to finish up here in the shop today. This is all I can be able to do out here today. I'm gonna have to get ready to go out on a date tonight with the wifey, man. So, you know, that's the most important thing right now. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next video, we'll try to get some of this AC stuff bolted on the car. And continue on with the build as always, man. So, appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. Keep an eye out for the next one. Give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.